Hello and welcome to the Gold Bullion Company's latest video. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the 2023 1-ounce Big 5 Elephant Gold coin by Rand Refinery. The Big 5 collection is very popular with collectors and investors. The collection is comprised of 5 coins, each featuring a different animal: the lion, leopard, rhinoceros, buffalo, and elephant. The 2023 1-ounce Big 5 Elephant Gold coin is now available, with each coin containing 1 ounce of 999.9 pure gold. The obverse of this beautiful coin features the elephant displaying its trunk. The reverse displays a close-up image of 2 elephants side by side with a face value of 50 Rand. The Rand Refinery is renowned worldwide for its exceptional industry standards and is among the 5 referees identified by the LBMA. Not only is the 2023 1-ounce Big 5 Elephant Gold coin a stunning piece of art, it also has great investment potential. Gold has historically been a safe and stable investment, and coins such as the Big 5 collection are highly sought after by collectors and investors alike. If you're interested in adding the 2023 1-ounce Big 5 Elephant Gold coin to your collection, head over to our website. We offer competitive prices with fast, secure shipping within the UK. Don't miss out on this stunning addition to the Big 5 collection. Thanks for tuning in to the Gold Bullion Company's video on the 2023 1-ounce Big 5 Elephant Gold coin by Rand Refinery. We hope you're as excited about this stunning coin as we are.